In this video, I'm going to teach you how to disable personal vault in OneDrive. So in order to disable your actual personal vault, you first need to head over to your browser since we only need to do this online. Head over to www.microsoft.com, then locate the products that they have and locate OneDrive. Once you're in there, you can create an account. So click on this create a free account. Now, if you're like me who already have one, proceed to click on the sign in option that we have right there. Once you have successfully signed in, you can see right here all of your files. So on your files, you can find right here the personal vault. So if you want to disable this particular feature, what you can do is you can just navigate to the settings of your actual OneDrive. You can do so by clicking onto this gear icon right here. Now you can find settings, so make sure to click on this one. Once we have clicked on settings, it will redirect us to the settings of our actual OneDrive. So just wait for this to successfully load altogether. Once it's done loading, the next thing we need to do is we just need to find options. So here we have options. So what we need to do is just click on this personal vault. It will show you right here personal vault, and you need to first verify your identity before you can access this. So click on this verify. This will open right here. It helps us protect the account. Let's email a code and actually verify this. So let's verify and let's proceed with this. Once you have verified your identity, you can find right here different settings. Click on this manage option and this will open this new one. You should also find right here an option to disable it altogether. So from there, make sure to disable it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.